keep seeing this thing where people will just talk and then it'll appear on screen just like this, and I'm like, how are they doing that? Well, I've found it. It's Wispr Flow. Now, this isn't a sponsored video, but this is possibly the best AI tool I've used this year, in months for sure. Because all you have to do is hold down a hotkey. So I'm holding down the shift key, and then you talk, and you can make mistakes. No, not mistakes. I mean, make good progress, and it will actually update it in real time, as you can see here, so that it gives you an accurate reflection of what you're trying to say. It is amazing. Now, it doesn't just work in AI here, it works, you know, if you were to go up here and be like youtube.com/at AI look/videos. And so then you don't have to, well, there's AI looks wrong, but you don't have to then type as much. And this is an absolute game changer for me because normally I have to go, oh man, I have to go into ChatGPT and speak here. Then I have to wait for it to transcribe, copy and paste it into Claude because Claude doesn't understand my accent. Oh, but now using Whisper, it's sorted for me. Now the cool thing with Whisper too is, let me just get the app up, that you can actually go and find all of your previous things that you've said. So here you can scroll down. I don't know what I've been saying, so I'm not going to scroll further down. But you can scroll down and see everything you've said and copy it. But anyway, go check out Whisper. It saves me so much headache. It is an amazing. I can work so much faster. On this channel, we used to use a bunch of AI tools. We've turned this into an entire system which you can now use. It's at youtubersystems.ai. Go and check it out. You can do everything from tracking other channels, researching videos, writing scripts in your voice to generating thumbnail ideas and title. And not only that, but you'll be saving hours every single video. And this is the exact same thing I use to run this channel. Now, if you're interested as well in building SaaS like this, go and check out ai2app.dev, where I'll personally help you build and launch your first app within 14 days. So go check out the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.